Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable and super easy cosmos flowers. You can mix and match any colors you like. Now, let's get started. Here are the materials needed for today's tutorial. I will use yellow yarn to make the flower center. First, make a magic ring. Leave a tail, wrap the yarn around your finger. Insert your hook and create a loop. Yarn over and pull the second loop to the front. For round 1, we will make 8 single crochets into the magic ring. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook. We'll mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Repeat the process until we have a total of 8 single crochets. Once you complete it, pull the tail to close the ring. Now, we will switch yarn to make the petals. Remove the stitch marker, insert your hook into the first stitch. Hold the new yarn tail at the back. Pull the new yarn through the first stitch and through the loop on the hook. Then, start the first petal by making 8 chains. In the third chain from the hook, make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, and create a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Next, make a triple crochet, yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, and create a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. And yarn over once more to pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat one more triple crochet. Then, make a double crochet. After that, make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and create a loop. Yarn over and pull through on 3 loops on the hook. Next, make a single crochet. Finally, insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch. And make a slip stitch to complete one below. Now we will repeat the same pattern for the remaining 7 petals. Chain 8. Then in the third chain from the hook, make 1 double crochet. Followed by 2 triple crochets. And then 1 double crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet. Then 1 single crochet. And finally, make a slip stitch into the back loop of the next stitch. After finishing the 8th petal, leave a short yarn tail and cut it off. Now we will move on to the flower stem. Insert the hook into any stitch at the back of the flower. Pull the green yarn through. And make 7 chains. Mark the 7th chain with a stud marker. Then chain 5 more. Starting from the 2nd chain from the hook, make 4 slip stitches. Make a slip stitches into the back chain. Continue by chaining 9. Then, starting from the second chain from the hook, make a slip stitches on the way down to finish the flower stem. After finishing the slip stitches for the flower stem, leave a short yarn tail and cut it off. Use a needle or hook to weave in any loose ends. And that's it. We completed a beautiful and simple cosmos flower. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye!